Ito po ang isang international interview ng ating BP, Bo Plax. BP, Bo Plax. BP, Bo Plax na Vice Presidente.
Aray ko.
Ito po ang exclusive interview ha. International po ito mga kababayan. Matutuwa kaya ang mga DDS o talaga magtatago na lang po sila sa kuyukot ng kanilang mga magulang.
Aray ko.
Di ba? Ano sabi? Kung ano-ano sinasabi mo, Nyolo, mailusot lang, sabi ni Midison. Totoo naman eh. Real talk naman yung sinabi ko eh. Real talk yun. Saan ba nanggagaling, di ba? Alam ng mga taong bayan saan nanggagaling ang kabataan. Di ba? Di ba? At ang mga yan. Totoo yun, di ba? Saan ba nanggagaling yan? Ang kabataan. Sa bahay. Kaya nga kabataan, nanggagaling sa bahay.
Aray ko. Aray ko.
Okay, mga kababayan, ito na po ang international pasok, international interview.
Please tell us about if you have been in touch with President Duterte lately. What is his health condition and how is he doing?
Yes, I visited him Monday, Tuesday, and today I'll visit him as well.
Aray ko.
Ulitin po natin, napakaganda po ng sagot ha. Ulit.
Please tell us about if you have been in touch with President Duterte lately. What is his health condition and how is he doing?
Ano daw po? Do you have been in touch in President Duterte lately? Anong sagot?
Yes, I visited him Monday, Tuesday, and today I'll visit him as well.
Aray ko.
I visited him Monday, Tuesday, today.
Aray ko.
Tama si Your Pilipina pa eh. Monday, Tuesday, brush your teeth. Ayop naman yan, no? Ito na pala yung ating presidente, ganito magpa-interview. What can you say? Do you have getting in touch with the President Donald Trump? How about the meeting? I visited him Monday, Tuesday, today.
Aray ko.
Hayop, man. Monday, Tuesday, today.
Wednesday, July 29, and he's doing okay, except that he has a skin problem right now. We're trying to ask the health unit of the detention what it is all about, but we appreciate that they did something about it. I understand there's a cream applied on the skin rash.
Yeah. You have a problem in skin, apply to the skin rash. Putik, grabe, worthless yung English, man. With the apply the skin disease, the skin rash, the skin is, ano? Siyempre magagalit yung mga DDS. Tama naman. Anak ng weteng. Anak ng weteng naman, no? Anong klaseng English ba naman yan? Sasabihin mo ba, skin rashes, skin apply sa medicine?
Aray ko.
Dapat, President Duterte right now have a problem regarding problem in skin. And I think we're doing the best that we can do in order to pacify the problem of our beloved father. Mga ganon, di ba? Di ba mga ganon ng English? Medyo may angas, men. Putik. Diba? Ganyan mag-English yung anak ko eh. Mas magaling pa nga yung anak ko eh.
Aray ko.
Oh. Diba? I think my father right now have a problem regarding his skin. And I think they are doing the best that they can do in order to fix the problem of my father. Hindi, pakinggan nyo, oh.
29, and he's doing okay, except that he has a skin problem right now. We're trying to ask the health unit of the detention what it is all about, but we appreciate that they did something about it. I understand there's a cream applied.
There's a ice cream applied. There's a cream. They apply a cream. Putik ng pusang ina.
Aray ko.
On the skin rash. I really do not know what it is. So, other than that, the usual aches and pains of an 81-year-old man. And
The usual aches and pains. Ayop! Ayop, man!
Aray ko.
Ayop, parang pralipi-lipi ah. He will take and aches and pains, cover on the sea. He will seek and aches and pain, living what he see. Yeah, 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 sail on the wings of the cloud. Sail with nobody know, we fly.
Aray ko.
Ayop, pralipo-lipi.
Aray ko.
He will do in aches and pains, cover in the sea. Ayop, pralipo-lipi yan, ha? Pralipo-lipi yan.
Aray ko.
Galing mag-English.
well, yes. He has no complaints right now about the weather because it's not really cold here.
He has no complaint weather because the weather is fine, cloudy.
Aray ko.
Sorry talaga. Tignan nyo po, narinig nyo. He has no complaints weather because... ulitin natin. Baka sabihin ng mga DDS, tanga yung Sara nila eh.
An 81-year-old man. And, well, yes. He has no complaints right now about the weather because...
He has no complaints right now because the weather because... ano yan? Paano na? Paano tayo yan?
Aray ko.
He's no complaint right now because the weather because... ano yan? Pag sinulat yan ng mga international, sabihin ng mga foreigner, what's weather because?
Aray ko.
She has no complaint na weather because. Isa pa. Tumahimik muna kayo, mga tinatawanan nyo kasi. Ayan.
Man. And, well, yes. He has no complaints right now about the weather because...
about the weather because. Wala daw siya complaint sa weather because. Ano yan? Ano yun? Ba't tinatanong po ba yung umuulan ba?
Aray ko.
Diretso natin,
it's not really cold here.
So, is there any update with the case? How it's going? Is it going further? What do you have any updates?
ano daw update kay Digong?
Well, we only have what is released in the ICC publications, and the trial will be set November, and that is this is too far along for us.
This is too far along.
Aray ko.
Hindi ako nagsalita niyan, ha? This is too far along. Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Aray ko.
Ulitin natin, hindi po tayo nag-i-invento rito,
November, and that is this is too far along.
Oh, this is too far along. Oh, ano yan?
Aray ko.
Oh. This is too far along. Oh, diretso.
For us, we
This is too far along for us.
wanted an earlier trial date since he's been here 1 year and 4 months and nothing has happened, and there's no talk about
Oh, there's no talk about, oh. This is too far along, there is no talk about.
Aray ko.
Sara, pag mag-i-English ka, may tinatawag dyan pagbabaybay. Di ba? Kasi yung, ano ba tawag doon? Yung diction mo, minsan, makaka-apekto yan sa phrasing ng salita. Di ba? Dapat, this is a talk. Post ka muna. About. Ganon. Hindi yung, this is talk about. Di ba? Magpo-post ka. Kasi nga, tinuturuan naman tayo ng elementary. Meron tayong tinatawag na period. Kama.
Aray ko.
Di ba? Diction. Di ba? Mali-mali na yung grammar. Mali-mali pa yung diction. Anong tawag yan? Scramble. Alam mo, you know, Shara, being a master in, I think, 10 years, I've been articulated by the words, phrase, diction, and even some sentences where can I put period, comma, or even hypertension, hyperstress, diabetic, and high blood pressure. Oh. If you heard of my English, this is a very different kind of language that I'm using in my different blog. Because I've been expert for 10 years. I've been talking in different languages and different kinds of citizenship, different kinds of tradition, cultures, name it, Sara Duterte. I masterize all of it. And as I can hear from your motherfucking mouth, you're such an idiot pretending to be knowledgeable lawyer, which is 80% dream in your dream.
Aray ko.
Diba? Mahina eh. O, diretso.
What, do you have any updates?
Well, we only have what is released in the ICC publications, and the trial will be set November, and that is this is too far along for us. We wanted an earlier trial date since he's been here 1 year and 4 months and nothing has happened, and there's no talk about his release pending the trial as well.
We see some changes happening at the ICC with the chief prosecutor being removed. Do you expect that maybe there can be some positive outcomes? Maybe there will be some speed in the case, in the process, or what are your
Pinapakinggan niyo po ang 80% barpaser ha. 80% barpaser. Ang lupit mag-English.
expectations now?
Well, we hope that they will always be for the accused.
Ano daw? I hope they always be for. Ano yun? Nang meeting talaga.
Or what are your expectations?
Pakinggan nyo.
Well, we hope
Well, we hope
that they will always be
they will always be my baby. You always been a part of me. I have been you indefinitely Oh, when you come with baby, you always gonna always be my baby. A finger long, out you as a finger long.
Aray ko.
Putik! Ano ba naman yan, men? Oh,
now?
Well, we hope that they will always be for the
will always be for
accused.
the accused.
Since there is a presumption of innocence always for an accused, and they will
Oh, there's a presumption of innocence always when accused. Pusang ina. There's a presumption of innocence always in accused. Pusang ina naman. Oh,
well, we hope that they will always be for the accused, since there is a presumption of innocence always for an accused.
oh, always put. Ano ba naman to? Nakakaya. Woo!
They will speed up the trial, but we really do not know with the ICC. We only know that there's only one case that they're considering and then under trial, and that is the case of President Duterte. But well, we can only request and plead with them to speed up the trial, because he is already 81 years old and he cannot afford to stay in detention for 3, 4, 5 years more.
16 months that has been passed since President Duterte was brought here, and still no outcome.
Yes.
How does it make you feel?
Well, we are angry.
Aray ko. Aray ko.
Putik!
Aray ko.
Ano daw na? We are angry.
Aray ko.
Shit, Sarah! Ano ba to? What can you feel? We are angry! Pusang ina! Sarah, ano ka ba? Matakot kasi sinasabi mo!
The trial, but we really do not know, considering and then under trial, and that is the case of President Duterte. But well, we can only request and plead with them to speak in detention for
President Duterte was brought here, and still no outcome.
Yes.
How does it make you feel?
well, we are angry. The moment that he was taken, he was kidnapped from the Philippines, and we are still angry now.
Tigil na yan!
Aray ko. Aray ko.
We are angry when he's got kidnapped in our country, and now we're still angry. Pusang ina!
Ko.
Ano yun? We are angry when he was been kidnapped in our country, and now we are still angry now. Sang ina, men.
Aray ko.
Sorry po talaga. Ano yun? Ba't ganun? Sarah, mahiya ka. Talagang feel na feel mo ba? Shit! Ah.
How
Yes.
does it make you feel?
Well, we are angry. The moment that he was taken, he was kidnapped from the Philippines, and we are still angry now. But we try to support the process. Since he is already under the ICC jurisdiction, we try to support it. But of course, as a daughter, as Filipinos, we have feelings about how
As a daughter, as a Filipino, we have feelings.
Aray ko.
As a daughter, as a Filipinos, we have feelings.
Aray ko.
as Filipinos, we have
Feelings.
about how objective the ICC and the officials, people inside the ICC is about the case.
Anong objective on how ICC? Pusak.
Aray ko.
Object lang, pusak.
Aray ko.
On how ICC object, hindi objective.
Aray ko.
Tangina naman, oh. Sorry talaga. Tinatanong ka, anong nararamdaman mo? Okay na, palulusutin na natin yung hungry. Hungry.
Aray ko.
Sabi mo, on how ICC object. In-object kayo na hindi umuwi ng Pilipinas eh. Hindi objective. Pusang ina naman, oh.
Aray ko.
Pakinggan nyo ha, kung tama siya, tignan nyo, oh.
We try to support it, but of course, as a daughter, as Filipinos, we have feelings.
Oh, yan, palalampasin na natin yan. As a daughter and Filipinos, plural eh. Palampasin na natin yung plural. Dapat as a daughter and a Filipino. As a daughter and a Filipino. We have feelings. Oh, palalampasin na natin yan.
Aray ko. Aray ko.
Palampasin na natin, okay? Palampasin na natin, okay? Diretso, diretso.
About how objective
Oh, mali ka agad, oh. On how the on how they object, on how they object. Nag-object sila eh. Parang objection, your honor. Pumalag, object.
Aray ko.
Hirap, men. Oh! Rachel General Bar, shout out.
the ICC and the officials, people inside the ICC is about the case.
Oh.
And
Object about the case. Hindi objective. Object. Nag-object.
of course, we feel that there was really an injustice.
We felt.
Aray ko.
Past tense.
Aray ko.
We felt. Pusang ina ka, Sara. Naramdaman nyo na eh. We felt. Nag-decide na yung ICC. We felt.
Aray ko.
I think you must enroll to my hereditary language so that you can interact well regarding different reporters that ambush interview is causing you too much idiotonomy. Ha? Ha? Do you know the meaning of my hereditary language? Idiotomy? Ha? All of your body is idiot.
Aray ko. Aray ko.
Diba tama naman po ako? Naramdaman ko na. I felt it. Oh. Diba? Oh.
ICC is about the case. And of course, we feel that there was really an injustice with how he was taken from our country.
As a daughter, is there any worries you have while if it gets prolonged and dragged on for no longer time?
Of course, yes. There is always the possibility that he will pass inside the prison, and that is something that I already discussed with President Duterte. That is why he gave his instructions in case he dies in prison. But of course, as a Filipino, as a daughter, we want him to die in Philippine soil.
Anything you would like to add up on? Any message you have?
Free him now. Free Duterte now. Bring him home.
Aray ko.
Kita nyo? Yan ba yung ano? Yan ba presidente natin? Tingnan mo. Pilipit yung dila.
Aray ko.
Ano na nang sabihin ng ibang, lalo na mga European country, lalo na mga ibang country na talagang fluent in speaking in English, they are really well and prepared regarding an interview or different kinds of conversation. The diction, the letters, how they pronounce it is well heard and well pronounced. But in this situation, our Vice President is too much stupidity and idiotomy.
Aray ko.
Kala ni Sarah, nung nagsasalita po siya, aba, inaano yun na talagang magaling siya magsalita, hindi niya alam, bali-balikong na. O, eto po, tinawaran si Lenny. Dito naman po tayo, tinawaran si Lenny.
Your favorite flower kay di ba dili man rose?
Dili. Gumamela, uy.
Gumamela. Very
Ay, Yuki Sawaki, maraming salamat ha, Yuki Sawaki.
Filipina talaga si ma'am.
Kini kay in honor of the color pink.
Look, headline na po.
In honor of the color pink, sa Gonzales atake, bisan mo na hinungdan.
Kita mo, mga kababayan, inaatake po si Lenny, oh. Inaatake po si Lenny, oh. Nandiyan pa ba yung mga kakampig natin? Mga kakampig, labas!
Aray ko.
Grabe, no? Mga kababayan, mga karayuma, ano bang klaseng vice-presidente ito, mga kababayan? Ganito ba ang vice-presidente natin? Ganito ba ka-bobo? Tingnan mo, wala talagang ano eh. Wala po talagang moral eh.
bayan, hindi